What's up, guys? I haven't been posting a lot on YouTube because I just have a lot of schoolwork to do and a lot of studying to do. So I just had to limit for a while, like how much I uploaded on this channel. But reviewing tech on YouTube is still my passion. I really love doing it. I love tech and everything surrounding it. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Razer mouse, and my mouse just recently broke, so I had to buy a new one anyway. So let's get to the unboxing. All right, so here's the mouse. Let's open the box. And that was pretty easy to open. Oh my God, never mind, I take that back. Oh my God, I take that back. There you go. Oh my God, why did it take so long? Okay. It was easier sliding it out than opening the box. That was crazy. Oh wait, I didn't even show the box. So it says Razer DeathAdder Essential. Looks like a really cool mouse. It comes with 2 buttons on the side here that you can program to do different things. And then it has RGB lighting on the scroll wheel and this symbol right here. It says Razer on the side. And on the back, it tells you like the different specs. It tells you about the tracking, like it uses like a kind of like a laser thing to track. And then yeah, Razer, and then at the bottom, it's different stuff. Yeah, here's the mouse itself. Nothing really comes in the box, just the mouse and then the manual with a sticker in it. It's a pretty cool sticker. Yeah, it's the manual, but like, who really reads this? Come on. So here's the mouse. Take out the mouse. It's a very nice mouse. Like, it's black, not too generic. You can see the symbol. 2 buttons. Razer DeathAdder on the bottom. And then the cable feels very nice. It's like a carbon fiber cable. Very nice. This is a very nice mouse. I wish I could like show off the mouse, but I really can't because my computer's kind of broken, so I'm getting it fixed right now. So I don't really have my computer with me right now, so can't really do that. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was really short, but trust me, I got some amazing stuff coming up. Some robotic stuff and personal projects of mine, because I'm really into robotics as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.